As the turnkey EPC contractor for the China Petroleum Corporation's Dalian Storage and Transportation Center, CNI is executing a milestone in complex industrial infrastructure. Central to this high-technology project are 4 massive spherical tanks. Each unit measures 18 meters in diameter, possesses a volume of 3,000 cubic meters, and weighs 450 tons.
To guarantee uncompromising quality and optimize project execution, CNI successfully proposed the complete off-site fabrication of these tanks at our facility in Vietnam. The mechanical design for these pressure-retaining structures strictly complies with ASME, complete with U2 stamping. Furthermore, the engineering incorporates maximum safety factors for seismic loads and wind resistance, specifically tailored to withstand Taiwan's demanding coastal environment.
This video captures the highly specialized loadout phase, utilizing multi-axle self-propelled modular transporters. The fully assembled structures are precisely maneuvered and loaded onto a flat deck vessel for sea transport. This operation marks an industry milestone, the first time this complete off-site fabrication and SPMT loadout method has been applied to spherical tank installation in both Vietnam and Taiwan.
To facilitate a seamless loadout, CNI strategically assembled the spherical tanks in the yard adjacent to the port, ensuring an efficient transition to the ship. This international seaport is wholly owned and operated by CNI, providing unmatched logistical control. Moving forward, our core strategy centers on expanding this method, fabricating fully completed equipment within our production complex and loading them directly onto vessels at our port. This approach drastically minimizes the risks associated with inland transportation and complex on-site construction.
Upon arrival in Taiwan, these tanks will anchor a state-of-the-art LPG terminal designed for near-automatic operation. The facility integrates 17 high-capacity pumps compliant with the International API 610 standard, alongside an advanced control architecture featuring motor-operated valves and high-accuracy measuring instrumentation.
As the next phase unfolds at the Dalian site, CNI will navigate extreme spatial constraints, precisely lifting the massive tank bodies over live operational pipe racks for final installation.
CNI, make excellence.